In the previous video, I set up camp in the rain, had a festival shower, and we had a brilliant time during the first 3 days at Glastonbury.
Okay, it's Sunday morning. Still got the face paint on from last night. After an epic time at Guns N' Roses, it's time for some breakfast. And after that, I'll tell you about how I got robbed.
But before that, here's a quick recap of yesterday. A glorious day with Lewis Capaldi, the Manic Street Preachers, Lizzo,
Oh, it doesn't. But it's okay, because I'm an artist.
and Guns N' Roses, where I'm pretty sure I saved Greg's life. And, fittingly, we made a pyramid at the pyramid stage.
Yeah!
Now, time for that breakfast.
Now, at this point the other day, there was some eggs stuck there. And I stupidly decided to lick it. I've still got burnt tongue. I won't be doing that again. Absolutely banging. So it was the Thursday evening, had all my valuable stuff, like wallet, a couple of cameras, and most importantly, my ticket to get in. Inside a yellow bum bag, which was itself inside my backpack. I had no reason to go into that bag. It was shut the whole night. Had a brilliant time, singing my heart out at a piano bar, a load of Britpop classics. Just really good fun. Woke up the following morning and the bum bag was nowhere to be seen. Insta 360 go-to, GoPro in there. It was 200 quid of cash as well. So I assumed immediately that I must have been robbed. Could be the only answer. I don't lose stuff, not really, very rarely anyway. So I just figured somebody must have somehow either grabbed it from my tent or something during the night, or I don't know, who knows? Maybe my bag was slightly unzipped and they managed to pull the whole thing out. Possible. So I reported the bag stolen, I got lost and found. They were fantastic, just really caring and kind and nice about the whole thing. And then went about my day, and they did strongly recommend to come back. They reckon so much turns up that you wouldn't expect. And I was like, nah, it's stolen, it's gone, like it'll be gone. So next couple of days went, and I just noticed that my bank cards hadn't been used. I didn't bother cancelling them because I thought I can do that as and when if necessary. So I started to feel a little bit hopeful. Went back up there on the Saturday, gave him my ticket, and sat down for the stinking baking hot time of the day. And about 20 minutes later, I heard a kazoo making a like doo-doo-doo-doo-doo sound as they brought my bag, complete with everything that was in it, back around the front of the table. And I did a little dance of joy and thanked the Glastonbury gods and all the nice people here. So turns out I do lose stuff. God knows how though.
Cat Stevens was incredible in the Legends slot.
Little darling, the smiles returning to the faces. Little darling, it seems like years.
We were so excited for Elton John. We were putting things in places they were not supposed to go.
There we have it, Glastonbury 2023 in the can. I got here Tuesday night, I'm leaving the following Monday morning. It's been 6 epic days. Heard somebody say this morning, my mind's never felt clearer than walking out of here. Just, the only thing to do here is have fun, listen to music, be with good people. It's just a winner. So, if you've enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up down below. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and we will be taking the Tinny Bago abroad in the next episode. So I'll see you then.